Today we talk about how can you disable photo contest notifications on your OK app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go above this sign, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, you just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next pair. Then all you have to do now, just click on notifications on screen. Then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just go down here. So you keep going down here. Then you come here. Sorry, when you keep going down here, you come here to here on photos. Come here to photo contest. Clicking this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's contacts me photo contest notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.